y'all, welcome to my channel, whatever. Okay, it's been a minute since I like did one of these little videos or whatever, so pardon me. Okay. Hey y'all, it's Sharon B. Mills, you know the mother, but okay, no, I don't think that's it. Hey y'all, y'all know the vibes. It's Sharon B. Mills from the book line. If you're not from Jersey, you're not gonna understand that, but alright, that's besides the point. So boom, finally did a tutorial on how I do this top knot bun right here. You do not have to, like, your hair does not have to be wet. Like, y'all can do it like when y'all hair is dry. Y'all can do it when your hair is blown out or whatever. Honestly, like, the best results comes when your hair is actually blown out, but who felt like doing that? No ma'am. Okay, so like as y'all see, just got out the shower, hair is dripping wet. Y'all can literally like put anything in there, anything y'all want to put in there. You know, I just do it because it's just good for my hair. Okay, so after that, all I did was I took the Eco Styler and I took my Denman brush. No, that's not a Denman brush. I just took like one of my hard brushes or whatever. Brushed my hair up into a high ponytail. Make sure it is a high ponytail, like emphasis on high ponytail.
Suppressed by tradition and the religion, be free in this new world order, a division. You know what it is, I ain't gotta explain. Family that only holler my name when they need bread.
I'm just trying to make sure that the ponytail is straight and like even on my head, like directly in the middle of my head. Okay.
Little things they don't teach you inside the trap.
I'm just using this one because this one is like an old pack of hair. I mean, not the old pack of hair, but it's the hair that I already had. I'm literally just reinstalling this bun into my head. Literally, you just take the hair, loop it through a ponytail, and then like, you know, twist it a little bit, you know, just so it gets, yeah. I literally just put the ponytail into my head. I only did it like, you don't have to make it like super tight because you don't want too much tension on your hair.
What if I don't want it? The world is yours, the world is yours. The world is yours.
I'm just taking the hair and like I'm literally just twisting it like a regular old little twist or whatever, right? And it may take you a couple times to do this or whatever. I literally did it one time. This time I usually do it like at least twice just to get to the bun to my liking, but yeah. So you're gonna like keep twisting and then you're gonna wrap, and then you're gonna keep twisting and then you're gonna wrap, and then you're gonna keep twisting and then you're gonna wrap. Just as high as you want it, as low as you want it, it really doesn't matter. So it's really up to your preference. Personally, like I don't use an extra ponytail holder. I don't really need it. It literally stays just like this for 2, 3, 4 days. So here's the good part, the edges. Okay, so literally all I do is I brush my edges out first. So anything that I'm going to lay, I brush that out first. You want to do the little swoop-a-doop-a-doop, okay? And I'm using the Got To Be Glue gel with the swoopy-doopy-doops, okay? So, you know, you just take, well, what I like to do is I like to go down and then swoop back. And then I use my finger to hold down the actual swoop just so like that swoop stays in placement of like how I like. And then you're gonna see me just doing that all around my head.
Feet inside the pool, can't nobody really cheat how I do. That's why I run this marathon, shining like I got 100 carats on. Not a diamond on me, I'll carry on. Only thing that I'm seeking is more enlightenment, money and fast cars, enticements. I fight G, asked what I stand for, couldn't answer the question. He schooled me, then we started discussing. The saddest part of our lives, how many people trust it, even when they know the truth. Homie, how you coming? Yeah.
Okay, so this is the part that makes the edges stick, okay? When I tell you my edges have literally stayed for over 48 hours. This little bad boy right here, and just spray it around your edges. That's literally all it is, okay?
Religion, be free in this new world order, a division. You know what it is, I ain't gotta explain. Family that only holler my name when they need bread. To my young boy down. That's word of pop, that's word of bread. Rest in peace to the legends.
Boom, it's nice, good to go. And then After that, all you gotta do is just put your scarf down when you're laying, when you're put your scarf down to lay your edges, and then what you call it, when you like just put your scarf on when you're doing your makeup or whatever. So that's what I did. After I put my scarf on, I just did my makeup real quick. You know, this is my everyday routine. Another whole video for that too, I got y'all. Okay, but yeah, so literally that's it.
The world is yours, the world is yours. The world is yours, the world is yours. The world is yours, the world is yours. What if I don't want it? Ask me what I stand for.
Okay, so if you're reaching this part, then you're at the end of the video. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'm about to go to a little party or whatever. Girl, it's for the freshmen, so it's probably not about to be all that. I'm just going so I'm not in my room, because I've been in my room for like a good 2-3 days. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And also make sure you subscribe to watch my vlogs, okay? Follow me, sharing emails on everything. But pause. I can't even do all that. No, I gotta end it like real, like how I usually do. Thank you guys for watching. And y'all know the vibes.